Namaste. This is the end of the year and I have only a few questions for you. You already achieved all results and all goals which you would like to have. You already read all newspapers, all books, but still you didn't get whatever you want? And last question, what if I will give you a very simple guide, 1, 2, 3, and I will tell you that in 2 or 3 weeks, you already will have a proper result which you can feel and which you can see. Will you start today? My name is Ksenia, I'm yogi from the oldest yoga institute in the world, and today I would like to give you a very simple but very proper guide how to transform your reality, and we will start with our materialistic things. What we will do? We will start to cleaning our home, but this cleaning will be not just a normal cleaning which we do usually in the weekends. Before this cleaning, we will make an intention that through your physical reality, you will clean yourself. This is the main point of our exercise. So first step, what you will do? You will take your pen, you will take your notebook, and you will write down whom you would like to be after 5 years, after 10 years, the best version of yourself. And I will give you a small tip. It will be not only what you want, but it will be with some feelings. For example, you will sit down, you will close your eyes, and you will start to imagine whom you would like to be. And when you will find a special feeling that your soul will answer it means that your soul really wants it, and this is what we need. You will write down, will be our first step. So basically right now we have B point where we are going. This is very important. Number 2. So here we start to clean ourselves, our apartment. And we will start with our clothes. You will take all clothes from your wardrobe and you will put everything on your bed. You will take one clothes and you will answer for 2 questions. First question will be, do I have a nice feeling when I touch these clothes? If yes, these clothes are going to the next level. Next level will be, do I want to see these clothes when I will be in my best future? So if you answer for all these questions, yes, then what you need to do? You check if this clothes in perfect condition, it go back to your wardrobe. If you need to wash, you will wash. If you need to fix, you will fix. If in first or in second question you have answered no, then you can give it to someone or you can throw it. It's up to you. Like this we do with all our clothes. When we will finish with our clothes, we put all underwear. Next, we take all our socks. We take all our bags. We do the same. Next, we take all our accessories. We take all our shoes. So basically, all clothes which you have in your wardrobe, you will do this kind of exercise. When we will finish with this, maybe it will take you 1 or 2 days, we are going to the next step. Next step will be all your cosmetic. Please do the same. Put all cosmetic to your bed and check not only what you use or not use, but also if, for example, you have a cream which have date of expire, which already gone, you will throw it out. Right now, we will think like a person who really love himself. Will the person use some things which already got expired? I think no. So please let it go. Okay, next step, we need to check all our notebooks, our books. If, for example, your kids already growing up and you have some books which just lie down, please give it to your neighbors or to your friends, but let it go also. Next, we need to check all our documents. Please, if you can do separate documents for your husband, separate documents for yourself, separate documents for your kids, and also please check if you have some documents which you already don't need, throw it out, don't keep all these papers. Then I would like to tell you, if you have any letters from your ex-boyfriends, from your ex-girlfriends, please throw it out. You need to understand that right now this exercise is not just to clean your apartment. Through this, you clean your mind. I think if you already have a nice, good relationship with your husband, with your boyfriend, or with your girlfriend, with your wife, you definitely don't want to keep some space for a person who already not in your life. Next, we are going to the bathroom, we are going to the toilet, and we will find a lot of shampoo, cream, and a lot of things which already got expired. When I did this exercise first time, I throw literally half of boxes in my bathroom, because believe me, you will not use it, it will get expired, and in the end you will throw it. So better check it right now, and this is the best time to say goodbye to all things which already need to live your life. And of course, please don't forget about ropes and towels. This is very important. If you need to make it clean or make it whiter or just throw out. Also, don't forget about your slippers. I know that a lot of people have such old slippers. Please throw it out and buy for yourself, for this beautiful person. Beautiful slippers, you definitely deserve it. Next step will be our kitchen. Here I will not tell a lot, just please take everything out, check again that everything is clean, everything is in good condition, everything is not expired, and clean it properly. The same will be with your bedrooms, the same will be with your wardrobes, which is upstairs. It's very important to check what is laid down upstairs. Usually this is things 10 years old. So please take it out, check, and throw what you don't need. So maybe all this procedure will take you 1 week, 2 weeks, maybe even 3 weeks, but I will be very proud of yourself if you will do it really properly. But we don't finish yet. When we will finish with our physical reality, we are going to our virtual reality. We will open all our social media accounts, and we will find a lot of accounts which is old, which we don't use. Maybe you open some accounts, you already forgot about it. Please find everything, write down everything, delete everything which you don't use. It's very, very important. When you will clean all your social media accounts, probably you will have 1, 2, or maybe 3 active accounts. Now go inside of this account and check all your subscribers and check all people who you are follow, and check these people whom you like to be still as your friends. If you already don't speak with some people, if you feel jealous for some people, if these people already is not interesting for you, or maybe you are growing up, please just clean all your friends, because sometimes we just keeping so many things and so many people around us whom we already don't really need. And it's also very important to have a very clean social media account. Next step, we are going to our gallery and we will clean all photos and all videos which we don't need in our phone and in our computer. Next step, we will clean all apps and all programs which we also don't need. Also, we will clean all mails, all spam, so basically everything which you have in your phone and in your computer. Next step, you will write down all people with whom you talk. It can be your friends, it can be your family, it can be your lovers, it can be your ex, maybe with whom you talk also. And you need to sort all these people in 3 groups. They can be positive for you, they can be neutral for you, they can be negative for you. What you will do with all these people after you will sort them, this is up to you. From my side, I just need maybe to show you if you would like to leave them or if you would like to minimize your conversation with these people, but this is absolutely up to you. And last step, which we will do today, after all this cleaning, and we remember this is not just a physical cleaning, this is a cleaning of ourselves. We will go to the shop, which we will not go in our situation right now, but in our best version, we will definitely go and we will buy something from there. Maybe it can be something small, maybe it can be something not so expensive, but what we definitely want to have when we already will be in our best version. So please buy something, because this is holidays and it will be very nice if you will treat yourself, because you definitely deserve it. So we finish with you with this big part, but this is only first part. So I will see you next week. In the next week, I will do second part of this video. In the second part, after all this big cleaning, we will already manifest and go towards the best future which you deserve and which you want. So please subscribe to this channel, because maybe you see this channel first and last time in your life, and here I always give such a good, useful information which can transform your life. If you want to support my channel, you can find a link below to donation. I will be very glad and happy if you will do this. I will see you on the next video. Namaste.